Assalamualaikum sir, are you busy? I have few questions to ask about grammar. Oh, sure, please have a seat. Okay sir, my first question is, what is the definition of grammar? Okay, that's a good question. So what is grammar is all about? Based on this book by Dr. Arshad Abdul Samad, we actually consider grammar to be a set of rules that govern how language works. But this description of grammar and what it does may be easily understood, but we need a formal definition of grammar. So based on Oxford Companion to the English Language, the first definition is, grammar is considered as the systematic study and description of a language, a group of language, or language in general in terms of either syntax or morphology alone, or these together with aspects of phonology, orthography, semantic, pragmatics, and word formation. The second definition refers grammar as set of rules and examples dealing with syntax and morphology of a standard language, usually intended as an aid to learning and teaching of that language. And final definition, a term for a synthetic and morphological system which every unimpaired person acquires from infancy while learning a language or a native speaker's grammar. Thank you sir for your answer. My second question is, what are the challenges and also the solutions for the teachers when they are teaching grammar to the students? Okay, that's a very good question. Of course, as we all know, there will be few challenges and also problems that some teachers might face when teaching their students. One of the challenges is lack of student preparation. So how do we overcome this problem? One of the solution is we has to prepare grammar activities that are easily expandable, such as hangman, puzzle words, and also scribble. The other solution is to use extensive grammar activities for the benefits of long term, and also use practice that fit your classroom needs. Okay, so we move to the next challenge, which is grammar is actually hard for students. It's not that hard, but for students who are really bad in their grammar, they will find it very hard to cope with their language and also the rules of grammar. So solutions for this problem are, first, to use clear charts. What is meant by clear chart here is to use visual contact with students, prepare clear charts, and play with their visual learning. For example, bring into class activities such as mind maps, charts with colorful colors, perhaps, and also based on authentic language. Students also must be taught to use grammar as it actually used. As we all know, grammar has been divided into two, which are prescriptive and also descriptive grammar. So teacher must be able to balance between these two definition, and also to make sure that students know when and where to use these. Thank you sir for your answer. It makes me understand more about grammar itself. I better get going because I have another class to catch up. Thank you sir. You're welcome. I hope you'll gain more interest in grammar and get an excellent result in the future.